hate how you can't zoom in with video. Nothing.
What's he doing? What's he doing?
Was not there. Song's gay. Gay. It's a black woman singing this. I said it's a black woman singing this.
I like how that was the only patriotic song.
Oh, they'll have more, trust me. 4th of July, they always have more than one gay patriotic song.
I think really
That's just the intro one. I bet you anything they'll have God Bless America eventually before the night's over. And I hate that one more than I hate the national anthem. Don't ask me why, I do not know. See, I can put up with music like this. Alright, that's